Hi, this is Eric with Parts Lock, and today we're going to show you how to replace the right side door hinge on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new door hinge for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsfactor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher's door hinge supports the door and allows the dishwasher to open and close smoothly. If the dishwasher's door hinge is broken or bent, the dishwasher's door may not open or close properly. In severe cases, a broken or damaged hinge may cause the dishwasher's door to sag or not close properly, leading to water leaking during operation. Since we'll be working with the dishwasher's electrical components, disconnect power to the dishwasher. This repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Using a T15 Torx bit, remove these 10 screws from around the perimeter of the door, holding the front panel in place. Then, while supporting the panel, close the door without engaging the latch. Gently tilt the panel forward and disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Then, lift the front panel up and away from the arm hinges. Next, pull the door cable to unhook the cable from the door hinge. Using a flat-headed screwdriver, bend this metal tab on the door hinge. This tab is bent to stop the door from sliding off the dishwasher. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the ground wire from the hinge. Then, remove the vapor barrier from the hinge using a 1/4-inch driver. Partially open the door and remove these two T20 Torx screws. While holding the hinge in place, slowly close the door panel until you can pull the hinge off. If you need to purchase a new right side door hinge, you can check out our website, partsfactor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the vapor barrier with this channel on the hinge. Then, align the hinge pin to the slot on the hinge and slide it into place. Next, open the door while supporting the hinge and line up the screw holes with the panel. Then, install the two T20 Torx screws. Reinstall the two screws on the front of the dishwasher that hold the ground wire and vapor barrier in place. On the side of the dishwasher, use a flat-headed screwdriver to bend the metal tab slightly. If you overbend this, it can cause the door not to open properly. Next, grab the door cable back by the spring and pull it forward so you can reattach the front of the door cable to the door hinge. Now align the hangers on the panel to the arm hinges on the door and gently slide the panel into place. Then, reconnect the electrical connector. Now, align the screw holes on the panel to the screw holes on the door, being sure that the locking mechanism seats beneath the panel. Start by installing the two top corner screws, bearing in mind that the 4 larger screws belong on the top row. Then, while supporting the panel, reinstall the remaining screws. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.